Okay. So switch is layer 2 device. Okay, we call as layer 2 device. So layer 2 device means it is data link layer. Okay, it's a data link layer. So that we'll discuss later. Switch is layer 2 device, that is data link layer. Why we call data link layer means the PDU, the protocol data unit in data link layer is called frame. Already I think you have written frame. Okay, so each frame holds source and destination MAC address. Okay, and this switch understand MAC address and forward the frames based on destination MAC address. Okay, so that's the reason we say switch is a layer 2 device, because it understands the MAC address, and MAC address is part of the frame. Means the system has to create a frame to communicate with the other system in the layer 2 network, that is switch. So LAN, we say LAN, local area network, that's actually with the switch. Then we'll go for the router next. Okay, so with the switch we'll try to understand the switch, what are the different modes in that, and then how to connect and configure, okay, through directly or through the remote also, okay. So now here this is a switch. Consider your first time you have purchased the new switch, and you have to configure that with your PC. Okay, so directly, because there is no here. Okay, so there is no IP address, nothing you are assigned here. So here you can go here directly, you can go to the CLI and run the command. Okay, you can run the command. If I see the switch, it is coming here directly. But here in the real time, when you bring the switch, you will not find anything interface on the switch. It's just a device. You have to connect to that device through the cable. Okay, so that we call as a console cable. We call as a console cable. Directly, you are connecting your PC, the switch to the PC through the console cable, and then you are configuring that switch. That is a procedure. Okay, so when switch is new, first we have to connect the switch to the PC for initial configuration. Okay, that you can do with console cable. Okay, so that you can do console cable. Okay, so
Okay.
how to do that? Okay, so now I am taking one PC here, PC. Now I'm not connecting through the straight through or crossover cable. Here it is, there is called console. You can see in the green color console. Click on this
Yes.
PC. Okay, you have to here, don't select fast Ethernet or USB. You select RS-232. It's a serial port. Okay, nowadays you
Okay.
can connect to the USB. So RS-232. Then click on switch, and here you will find a console. Yes, so it
Yes.
is
Yes.
their console. So click on that. So now you are connecting. Even if you see the switches, okay, you will find the console port also here. If I zoom in, if I make here, see there, it is also RJ45 port, but it is a console. Whenever you want to connect this switch to this PC directly, okay, and you want to configure initial configuration when you purchase a new device. So first time, so you can go through the console port. You can through one side it's RJ45, and this side it is a serial port. Okay, so RS230 is serial port. See there, these are RJ45 to connect to your LAN switches, one switch to another switch or router or other PCs. But you want to configure, first time you have to use this port, that is a console port. Can you see here this one? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Console, yes.
Even in your system, you can packet tracer you already installed. You can take the switch and check it. Yes. Okay. So now once you connect this one, then how you can access? You can go to the desktop. In the PC, you will get a terminal. Okay. Through that you can connect, or putty you can use. Okay. So here terminal is there. So this is see there. Open the terminal emulator. So port configuration, bytes per second, data bits, parity, stop bits, flow control, and click OK. See there, switch it is coming. Where I am in PC0, and now I connected to the switch. Got my point? Okay, so this is the switch. This is a PC0. I connected directly to the switch, and whatever the switch config is there, I am able to see here switch. Is that clear? Understood this? How to connect the switch to the PC through the console cable?
Yes.
You can try from in your system. You can try. Take a switch, take a PC, and click on console cable. And here you have to select RS232 port, and here you have to select the console port. That is serial port, and here it is a console port.